Alright, officially day one in Vegas. So I'm just gonna go through a little bit of a tour of my room. So let's back it out a little bit. So we come here to the bathroom. TV in the bathroom. Full-size tub, huge shower, French doors, another full-size mirror, over to full-size closet, back to the entertainment area, office area, and of course I get the Judge Dredd themed room, the Demolition Man. Big king size bed. And to the best part, right on the top floor, literally the 51st floor, got this amazing view of the Strip. Those are literally the fountains of Bellagio, which are world renowned. So gonna get some more videos of those going during the day and tonight so you can see how epic they actually are. And the Strip just keeps going all the way down. We got Caesar's Palace, the Mirage, Caesar's Palace way over there. That's the actual Bellagio. More stuff over there with the mountains in the background. And we're literally like right in the middle of the Strip. So what you see here is like literally half of what there actually is, not even half.